मरकजी वजीर साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी और खलाई उमूर राज्य जितेंद्र सिंह ने अपने रद्दमल में कहा कि ग्रुप कैप्टन शुभांशु शुक्ला का ये मिशन हिंदुस्तान के लिए फख्र का लम्हा है।
As I said, it's indeed a moment of pride for the world, but a moment of glory for India, because one of her illustrious sons is coming back with a successful voyage, and more importantly, having performed those experiments which were assigned to him, which were exclusive, which never done before, which have a huge bearing on life sciences, on the well-being of the mankind across the world, which appropriately lives up to Prime Minister Modi's mantra of playing the role of a Vishwa Bandhu Bharat. There were 3 or 4 categories. One is, of course, related to the life. And I also must point out over here, since you've given me this opportunity, that many of these kits, all these kits were indigenous, prepared within India, performed by India. And the other department in the ministry, Department of Biotechnology, provided kits.